Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lipink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that what can move the market this week, because it might can go up a little bit further, because right now the upward movement has started, but just a tiny bit. Anyway, let's talk about it. Then the second thing I would like to discuss is, there were rumors, last week that Huobi Exchange is in trouble, and now it looks like the situation is a little bit settled, things looking better. And now we have Medgoc's repayment registration deadline moved from 10th of January to 10th of March. So let's talk about all these things in today's video. And don't forget that every day you're getting the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. I'm making you 2-3 short videos every day from Monday to Sunday, and also deeper videos like this one, longer ones from Monday to Friday. So simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe bell button all, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now move on to the market, which looks pretty greenish today, to be honest with you. Bitcoin went up 2% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum 4.5%. When we're looking at the top gainers, Gala is up 57%. Zilliqa is up almost 50%. We have here Solana more than 20% up. Lot of big numbers we haven't seen for a while. And of course, when we're looking at the losers, no losers in the top 100 at all. When we look at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart here on the daily, you can see this symmetric triangle, and we just at this little resistance level here. So I would be very curious how this plays out in the next 24 hours. Do we close above this? Do we continue? Are we strong enough? So yes, that's very interesting. And I also going to talk about now what we should keep an eye on this week, what can actually move the market. So this week, very important thing, what's happening as every month, but this is what we're watching right now frequently. And this is the CPI data, which shows what the inflation was back in December. And here you can see that this CPI data is coming out on the 12th of January. So this Thursday, basically. And well, when we're looking at here November, then you could see that it was 7.1%. Now they hope for a 6.6% when we're looking at here the CPI data, but also the core CPI, which is very important, coming out as well. So if these numbers are happening, that looks positive because it's less than it was before. If will be lower than these, then the market would be bullish for sure, because it looks like that the Jerome Powell's and the Fed strict policy is working out pretty well. However, if it's worse than it was in November, or it's not that good as we hoped, then of course the market go down a little bit or sideways, or depends of the percentage what will come out. So this, I think, very important. By the way, Jerome Powell will have a talk at 9 a.m. here tomorrow on Tuesday, but the very important thing that on Thursday the numbers are coming out. So this is what we are watching right now. This can actually bring some move to the stock market, to the crypto market, so to everything. And as you have seen now, we went up. Oh, sorry, no, this one. This is another thing for the Hungarian channel. Yeah, so as you can see, we started to go up now, and I'm very curious how we cross this and go even further, and then we will see the further resistance lines, which one is working out and which one will stop this increase. But yeah, maybe we have seen the bottom already for Bitcoin, but nothing is for sure, because there are several things which can come out, some skeletons in the closet. There are some uncertainties on the market for sure. And, the recession think it's still on. It's still an issue. So a lot of questions. I'm not seeing any confident move upwards yet, but some relief rally can happen for sure. Okay, now let's move on to the second topic, and the second topic is all about Huobi, because there were some FUD last week, and a lot of people started to withdraw their crypto from Huobi. So last week was a little bit shaky for Huobi Exchange because after the news circulated that they, about to cut 20% of their stuff, people started to withdraw money from Huobi. And actually, just on Friday, in 24 hours, more than $60 million worth of crypto was withdrawn from the exchange. But now the crypto mogul Justin Sun, who is a major stakeholder in Huobi, deposited $100 million in stablecoin, in actually USDC and USDT, and this actually has slowed down the withdrawals just to $12 million per day, so it's much less. And the weekly withdrawals had edged down to 84 million from 94.2 million on Friday. So things looking now a bit better and also more calm. However, when we're looking at here the USDT price, this it still hasn't seen its $1 pack. So this is like a interesting thing. It lost it for here for a while and still suffering. I'm just talking about it because of Justin Sun. It also shows here that this Huobi, the withdrawals started to slow down despite the recent slide in the price of Tron's USDT stablecoin, because we do know that Justin Sun is related to Tron. Okay, that was the second thing I wanted to mention. And now let's talk a little bit about MedGox, because this repayment registration deadline has been moved again. The MedGox story is going on for many years now, and the creditors really hope they're going to receive their money, hopefully sooner than later. However, now the repayment registration deadline is moved, and the original one was 10th of January, so basically tomorrow, but they moved it to 10th of March. So actually, people who would like to register for this, they have another opportunity to do this. And also, they moved the deadline for the base payment from the 31st of July this year to 30th September. So that one is also moved. If you might remember, in August, last year, rumors of massive Bitcoin dump from MedGox circulated on social media. However, creditors of the DeFi trading platform dismissed the rumors and said they are still unable to register where they can receive the funds owed to them by MedGox. So now this registration deadline, so the registration is probably on now, but it actually moved 2 months to 10th of March, and also they moved the repayment. So that money hasn't entered to the market yet. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here. Short video, longer videos. Simply subscribe bell button all. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and I'm going to keep you up to date even in 2023. And we are in bearish times right now, but bullish times are coming. It's just a matter of time, and it's worth to keep an eye on the market so we can move in the right time. So have a good one. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.